Tired of streaks and dust making your TV look dull? Here's a quick hack to get your screen spotless in seconds. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to clean your TV screen without damaging it, using things you already have at home. Definition: TV screen dusting is simply the safe removal of dust and smudges to keep your display looking sharp and clear. Why importance? Dust not only makes your screen look dirty, but can also block brightness and harm your viewing experience. Plus, improper cleaning can scratch or damage the screen. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Turn off the TV and let it cool down. 2. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with plain water or a 50-50 mix of water and white vinegar. 3. Gently wipe the screen in circular motions. 4. Use a dry part of the cloth to remove any remaining moisture. 5. Wipe down the frame and edges last. Tools explained: you only need a microfiber cloth and a small spray bottle with water or water vinegar solution. Workflow: spray the cloth, never the screen directly. Wipe gently from center outward. Finish with a dry wipe to keep it streak-free. Quick tips: always use microfiber, never paper towels. Avoid harsh chemicals like glass cleaner. Clean once a week to prevent buildup. Cost comparison: a microfiber cloth costs less than a cup of coffee and lasts 4 years. Compare that to pricey screen-safe sprays you don't really need. Now your TV is crystal clear and ready for movie night. Try this quick hack and see the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more smart cleaning tricks.